How to get rid of cough and cold naturally. Cough and cold are common, especially during weather changes. Instead of rushing for medicines, try these natural home remedies to recover faster. 1. Drink warm water. Warm water soothes the throat and helps remove mucus. Avoid cold drinks completely. 2. Honey and ginger. Mix 1 teaspoon of honey with a few drops of ginger juice. Take it twice a day to calm cough and throat irritation. 3. Steam inhalation. Inhale steam from hot water with a few drops of eucalyptus oil. It clears nasal congestion and eases breathing. 4. Turmeric milk. Drink warm milk with a pinch of turmeric before bed. It boosts immunity and fights infection naturally. 5. Rest and hydration. Get enough sleep and drink herbal teas or soups to stay hydrated and speed up recovery. Tip: avoid spicy, fried, or cold foods until fully recovered. Thanks for watching. Zabby16. Like, subscribe, comment, and share.